don't start spinning again. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Alright.
Okay, wait, did he get it?
Yeah, that was a lot easier than the last 3 times.
This is amazing.
Oh no.
Alright, what are we doing with the worms today?
We tied them to the ceiling fan. They go about go spinning. They... Oh, no.
Oh, shoot.
That was loud.
That was loud.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Alright, Blaze.
Alright, you want to do the honors of tying the first worm to the ceiling fan?
I just realized we're both really short.
That's why we stand on the bed.
But even if we stand on the bed, how are we gonna reach that?
I just...
Hold on.
This is gonna be so chaotic.
I got the word. Go to the I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna cry too. Oh my god, please do not fall. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I have no balance. I can't reach either. Alright, boys. There's a green one. Okay. Oh shoot. No balance. Alright. I can't find out. Oh, please. Help.
It's right there. It's...
Hello.
Hey, hold on, hold the camera.
I got it.
You got it?
I got it. I figured it out. Alright. Oh,
Where'd it go?
that was a part of the plan. Alright, where's the start of this wormy string? There, queer. Oh no. We're just gonna, there we go.
Oh shoot.
Alright, here's the plan.
What's the plan?
Alright, we got a little bit more wormy room. Alright.
Where did it go?
The paper came off on it!
Oh my god!
Okay, so we're throwing the worm.
Oh my
It's working! It's working! Yes!
Oh my gosh!
Yes!
Yes!
No! No! Come back! Okay, we got this, boys. We got this. This is all part of the plan. Okay.
Hopefully that's not gonna stay.
Yes, it will.
No,
Shut up.
There. It didn't stay.
Come back.
Jesus Christ.
Oh no. Alright, we're gonna wrap it around twice this time. Alright, we're gonna tie him twice. Not your nose, dude. Calm down. Okay. Alright. We got this. Pink one.
Okay.
Alright, boys.
Alright, it's a little dark, so you
You
can,
little dork.
you could, like, zoom it out, like...
Wait, that's zoomed in.
I forgot. Okay, and then you could, like, adjust this knob thing to change the aperture. And you could just adjust it if you, like, point it at the light. Hello? Oh my god, sand right here.
Oh my god, this is gonna be a tragedy.
Ooga booga. I'm sorry, I, like, actually stole that from you.
Is it a button? Hello?
Ooga booga. Okay, well, here it is. It's starting again.
Oh, we hear again. We already got
So
one.
we back at it again.
I got the brightness to go up.
That's good.
That's always nice.
Yeah, that is always nice. Okay,
We
we
get in the
unwind.
worms. We unwinding. I'm gonna fall.
Please don't fall. Like
I'm like trying my best.
You have no room to fall.
If I fall, I'm
if you
dying.
fall backwards, you might hurt your back a little bit, but it's better than breaking your neck going the other way.
I won't break my neck, I promise. Throw him. Throw him.
Oh wait, why am I? Okay.
Throw the worm.
Okay, this is the pink one, so we're going over here.
Scoot him. Did we get it? Oh no. Where you at? Oh, he on the blind. I think you need more worm room. I don't know where that piece of paper went. It's gone.
I'll find it eventually.
Oh, it's on the bed. It's on the bed. Right there.
Oh.
He chilling. Ugh.
Oh shoot, he's gonna be so dusty.
A worm flew around
around my room. Now there's dust everywhere. Worm. Give it more oomph. There you go. Oh. Just pull him a little bit. Just scoot him. Just scoot him a little bit more.
Trying to scoot him, but he's not.
Just pull him. Just pull him. Yeet him.
Yeet.
Yeet. Oh. Oh. This was a horrible idea.
It was a genius idea. I don't know what you're talking about.
We should have got a chair or something.
Oh my god, we'd be dead.
No, not on the bed, you hooligan.
How are we gonna get them all on there? You know, I'm like, this is gonna be so much fun to edit later.
Oh my god. You should send this to Malachi.
I'm gonna send it to
Just like, take a recording of when we turn on the fan.
Yeah.
A worm threw around my room.
How did you tie it?
Like, thread the worm through the hole twice. There you go. There, just pull it. Just pull it. Just go for it. Now, just pull the worm. There you go, Chiefaroonie. We're doing it.
I aspire to your skills of
Threading worms.
threading worms. Oh my god, his eye's gonna come off. Okay, no, we're good.
We're fine. It's okay. We live in. We breathe in. Alright, we got the pink one. You know what would have sucked?
What would've sucked?
If we would have tied that to the wrong one.
Oh my god, that would have been so bad.
We would have had to cut that motherfucker down. We'd been like, man. Or repainted your ceiling fan. I mean,
Honestly,
we have
yeah.
2 worms now.
Alright, we have 2 worms.
Alright.
Okay.
We opening the blue one. Oh, I'm right by it. Heck yeah. It landed where I wanted to this time. Alright. Alright. We bend in the worm. We bend in the worm. I'm gonna send this to Tyler. He's gonna be like, what the fuck is wrong with you? He's gonna be like, what is wrong with you? So he's like, I just wanted to tie worms to a ceiling fan. Just let me vibe.
Right?
Vibe check. Nailed it.
Oh!
I live in fear. I live in constant fear.
Oh my god.
There isn't enough string. Come back. Come back.
Oh no!
This was a bad idea.
Oh.
I didn't de-thread it enough. Alright, we're just gonna have to do this. Tragedies. Mistakes were made. Alright, I think that's enough. Okay. Oh, my arms. Loopity-loop and pull. Did you know when you tie your shoes, it's called the loop and pull? Like
The loop and-
It's called the loop swoop pull and not the big kid way.
What? Really?
Yeah, we googled it. It's not the big kid way, it's the loop swoop pull. I'm like, no, it's the big kid way. Like,
The big kid way.
you're wrong. Like, incorrect. Try again.
That is incorrect.
Wrong. There we
That's
go.
my opinion. Beautiful.
Oh. Don't ask questions. Oh my god, wait. It's not bad, right? Don't turn it on that yet. Not yet. No. You're gonna have to like. I have to take the butterflies off. So turn it off. Turn it off. Okay, wait.
No, you know what you should do?
What
Tie toilet paper to the ends of them.
That's brilliant.
To the ends of what?
To the ends of the blades.
Oh
Tie
yeah.
toilet paper.
We're gonna get this caught in like the motor. This is gonna be really bad.
Oh shoot.
It's caught. It's ruined.
Oh dear. Should
Oh,
we cut them
no.
off?
No, it's fine. I can figure it out. There we go. Well, why don't you tie these 2 worms together and then throw them over and then tie them that way?
You're genius.
Oh, intellectual.
Yeah. You know what I'm thinking is like we could just like. Are they just gonna like stay there then? Because I'm thinking like if we could get them down somehow, I could just like tape them to the blades. Get them down somehow, I could just like tape them to the blades.
Ta-da.
Amazing.
That's why I didn't tie them like tie. Alright,
You're amazing.
So, now we need tape.
Lucky for you. Sorry, here. Rainbow tape.
Aw, even better. Aw, yeah, and it comes out as a butt.
That's not very good YouTube quality language right there, buddy. like Beavis and Butthead. Oh god.
Okay, so here's the plan.
I'm listening.
There is no plan. We're gonna tape him to his nose. Alright.
How?
Alright. I'm too short.
How? Do you want to stand on the pillow?
No.
No? Use a book?
Do you have a hanger?
Lucky for you, I have plenty.
I have plenty.
It's strange that I'm saying that because I have so much clothes. So many clothes. So much clothes. What's the right? I don't know.
So
I
many
have-
closes.
Clothes. Many multiple clothes. Articles of clothing.
Alright. I had to think. Big brain. Rainbow comes out of my pocket. My mom's probably gonna call me and be like, "What were you doing?"
Yeah, well,
Hanging
you
worms
see.
from a ceiling fan. Alright. Okay. This tape is not sticky.
It
This
is.
is not
Oh.
it.
Oh shoot.
Oh wait. Weird.
Well, probably because the hanger is velvet. Well, actually, it's like really not good tape. So. Sorry.
Wow.
Wow.
Damn it.
Do you want me to go get like actual tape from downstairs?
Let's adventure with this worm and be like, we need tape. Right. I'm just gonna bring him with me. Look, he's walking down the steps. He going. He going. He going. He's going. He's going.
You're really traveling. We need. We're hanging worms from strings.
Portfolio, is that what you're doing? Or
Yes.
Fun?
Yes.
All of the above. Okay.
All of the above.
All of you.
Wish us luck.
She has to make a portfolio to get in college.
Should we take your phone and headphones off of the bed just in case?
Oh yeah, that'd be a tragedy. Those are $200 headphones.
Yikes. Haven't you had those since like middle school?
Yes.
It's amazing.
Still have worms in my pocket. I don't know where that one came from. We have a plan.
Oh, right here.
Peach, calm down. It's okay. It's fine. I know I'm fat. Just calm down.
Well,
Okay,
you.
we're here. We're queer.
Okay. And we almost died.
A little bit. Where's the worm?
He right there. Oh wait. What?
Okay. Did you just go?
Yes. Because I like felt my string from my jacket.
Tape. This is like surgery.
It's what?
Precision
Precision.
surgery.
Yes. Precision surgery. Oh god, I love that.
Here we go. Alright, this is the blue one, right?
Uh-huh, I think.
Okay, just get on there. It's a little dusty up there.
A little bit.
A little dusty. This tape ain't sticky anymore. It's too dusty.
Should I just go get like a duster?
That's fine. We'll figure it out. We'll just turn on the fan after this like succeeds. And like
All of them
go
come.
crazy and they all fly off.
That would be chaotic. That'd be terrible.
Chaotic gay.
Chaotic gay. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let go. Oh, I did it!
You did it!
Oh yeah, buddy! Oh, he a little low. Hello! Alright, let's see if I can get the pink one down.
Hopefully it'll be even better. Like they'll go just like go crazy.
That one's died. Alright, we're gonna need this boy. Okay. I'm a genius. I'm
You
so
are.
smart.
You're so smart, actually.
Okay. Now we need to do the same thing again.
Well, it wasn't so bad. Where'd you put the tape?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's
sorry,
in my
between-
pocket. Okay. Alright, so here's what we did with that, alright? First, this is how you tape worms to your ceiling fan, okay? Alright, you tape that and you just...
Oh my god, I'm gonna have like 20 minutes of footage to.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be great. And then you just loop and pull. And you shoot. So we're gonna get copyrighted.
Let's hope not. I'll just like edit that part out.
Just generic music. Generic music noises.
Should I just like stop and then record when we're almost done?
Yeah.
All right. Dope.
Here we go. Alright, don't start spinning again. Don't do it. Don't do it! Alright.
Okay. Wait, did you get it?
Yeah, that was a lot easier than the last 3 times.
This is amazing.
Oh no. Oh, they go in. Go in. Okay, stop. This ain't it. Stop. We ain't done yet. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna fall.
Please don't.
I won't fall, maybe. Yellow. Okay, here they go. Here we go. Alright, cutting the invisible string. There's one.
Oh.
That was gonna come out.
Oh no.
We can add more invisible string to it, like
Yes.
it's fish wire.
Yeah, or he could be a worm off string and go commit some war crimes.
Like all of them are just caught. Like there is no saving it. Maybe this yellow one. Maybe.
Barbara.
Pink. Like fish wire, or we can make a leash out of twine.
Yeah.
We're gonna just take them around and be like, look at those. My pets. My pretties. Oh,
Oh, I just saw one.
fish wire.
Okay. Now, should we have a photo shoot with these worms? Or what should we do with the worms now?
Taking them to your mom and crying.
Alright, that's what we're doing.
Be like, look at all these fallen warriors. Be like, what happened? We taped this, and they all got caught.
And asks, what is that? I could have a...
We have a good story.
Yeah, a good start.
I've got a storm for you. Are they staying?
Are they staying? Yeah, they're staying.
Okay, cool. Is Sophie in her? Sophie.
Sophie. Is she sleeping? No, she's not sleeping.
She might be down here because I don't hear her.
Yeah. I don't know where she'd be though. Beta!
Look at all these fallen soldiers. we tried taking them to sleep.
And saying, you need to
We had to cut them down. Now they don't have any invisible string.
Strings are gone.
Yeah, you gotta fix them.
It's okay, we'll figure it out, I think.
Yeah, they did.
It's so they died. They all fell. We tied worms to the ceiling fan.
You did.
And then they all got caught. We had to cut them down.
It was so bad. We both cried, we
Cried for
sobbed.
them.
They're coming.
Oh yeah, you wanna go outside? Yeah. Cool. You could bring the boys with you if you want.
I'm gonna put them all in my pockets.
Okay.
They're gonna all peek out.
Oh.
My jacket.
That's not their faces. Okay, good enough. Hold on. Can I drop a worm? There's something on the floor. Did I drop a worm?
Oh, you did. Oh, not advertised by Dr. Pepper.
But I'm thirsty.
My brother's yeah, same way. He is so fertile. They're both strong.
I think somebody just gave up. He's like, nah, I'm not with this party.
Oh, really?
Oh, Jimmy, I just gave up.
Ooh, it's kind of chilly.
Oh, that felt good after laughing that hard for so long.
I know.
They didn't.
They're not following him.
You know, it'd be an actual tragedy
What?
if like I leaned over and all the worms just went on the ground. I would
Oh dear, that would be really bad.
guys.
That's a
Live your best
little.
life. Whatever.
Well, that was fun.
That was great.
Yeah. And we'll conclude this video with a little slideshow. I have all the photos.
All the fallen soldiers. You should put in the
Eyes of the angel fly away. Okay, thank you for watching.
Shishi.
Yeah, skedaddle, skedaddle, skedoodle.